Hi everyone, my name is Eddie Harris, and I was born and raised in San Francisco, California, and I currently still live here in the city, also known as San Francisco, with my wife and nearly 2-year-old daughter. Currently, I am an adjunct faculty and assistant men's basketball coach at a community college here in the Bay Area. Been doing that for a minute, and the goal is after this program to become a full-time instructor at a California community college, as well as a head coach of a men's basketball program here in the state of California. So those are that's the dream job and what I'm going for. As far as hobbies go, I used to have a bit before the whole pandemic. Now not so much. Um, Currently, I spend a lot of time with my wife and my kids, so that's fantastic. That's great. Try to get out and exercise and run and do a whole lot of body weight stuff in my garage, but not much else these days. But things are starting to open up, so hopefully I can get back to some of my other hobbies, which is hanging out with my friends, enjoying a nice meal at a restaurant with friends or my wife, and definitely traveling. So I miss traveling. So hopefully I can get back to that. Besides that, staying in shape, hitting the weight room, working out, and just coaching and teaching. So that's me. Look forward to meeting all of y'all. Have a great semester, and God bless.